We are so grateful on the lessons Ubaba Tutu offered to our country, that without human triumph, without human supremacy, without people recognizing one another across ethnic divisions, across racial divisions, undermining all those previous lives, people can do better and people can prosper.
Very privileged to be able to be a part of it, to give our beloved Arch a proper send-off, and I feel like today was exactly that fitting send-off and a reminder of us to us as well of the messages of his life, for us to keep doing more to build the South Africa that he dreamed of. And we take that seriously in Cape Town, and we'll carry on working towards that society.